Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To enhance OBS performance, you can follow these optimization tips. Step 1. Ensure you are using the latest version of OBS. Developers regularly release updates with performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. If your operating system supports it, use the 64-bit version of OBS Studio for better performance. Step 3. Keep your graphics drivers up to date. Go to the device manager, then click on Disk Drivers, then choose a driver where the OBS is stored. Then once go to Driver, then hit Update Driver. Step 4. Reduce the output resolution in OBS. So go to the Settings, then go to Video. On drop down, lowering from 1080p to 720p. Then hit Apply, then click OK. For example, can significantly reduce the processing load. Step 5. Set the frame rate FPS to a value that your system can't handle. Common choices are 30 or 60 FPS. Step 6. If your GPU supports it, enable hardware encoding. Choices are NVENC for NVIDIA, AMF for AMD. This offloads encoding tasks from the CPU. Step 7. Adjust the encoding settings in OBS. A good balance of quality and performance is crucial. Higher bitrate and faster encoding presets can impact performance positively. Step 8. If you're experiencing performance issues, try lowering the bitrate in your streaming settings. A lower bitrate demands less bandwidth and processing power. Step 9. Simplify your scenes by reducing the number of sources and their complexity. Remove unnecessary overlays or scenes not currently in use. Step 10. In the View menu, under Preview Scaling, choose a lower resolution for the preview. This does not affect the actual stream, but reduces the load on your system. Step 11. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources for OBS. Step 12. Whenever possible, use Game Capture instead of Window Capture. Game Capture tends to be more efficient. Step 13. Studio Mode can't demand additional resources. Use it only when necessary, and disable it during periods of high performance demand. Step 14. In the audio settings, choose appropriate sample rates and buffer sizes. Experiment to find settings that work well with your system. Step 15. Monitor your system, CPU, GPU, and RAM usage while OBS is running. Identify any bottlenecks and adjust settings accordingly. Step 16. For resource-intensive streaming, consider using a dedicated streaming for PC to offload encoding tasks. Implementing these tips can significantly improve OBS performance, but keep in mind that the effectiveness of each suggestion might vary based on your specific hardware and streaming setup. Experiment with different settings to find the optimal configuration for your system. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.